Are you tired of looking through YouTube videos, trying to find a way to edit your videos faster and make them look more professional? Well, today I wanted to share with you why my video editing course, Edit Like a Savvy Pro, might just be the answer that you were looking for to help you create that consistent video content so you can be seen as an authority figure in your field, you can make more money, and your videos can look great. So in this video, I'm going to be telling you who Edit Like a Savvy Pro is for, what's inside of the program, and how it may be able to help you out on your video content journey. Edit Like a Savvy Pro is the only editing course that you'll need to edit videos for social media. I am a business owner. I edit videos for business owners. This video editing course was made with business owners in mind. So it's good for anyone looking to make money from their video content or just up-level their video editing skills. So that includes business owners, coaches, YouTubers, content creators, and much more. This course shows you how to edit videos on Capcut, which is a free desktop app on your Mac or PC, and they even have an app on your Apple or your Android phone. I created the course with the Capcut video editing app because I wanted to make sure everyone was able to access a video editor and that the price of the video editor wasn't really like a factor in whether or not you wanted to learn how to edit videos. So what type of videos can you edit with this course? You can edit YouTube videos, short video content like Reels and TikToks. You can edit course videos, live streaming videos, basically any type of video you can think of. You can edit that video with the methods that I teach inside of this course. So what's inside of the course? This 6-step program includes 3 to 10 minute mini tutorials that you can watch in under 3 hours. And you can implement the advice basically immediately. So you'll be able to watch this video editing course in a day and start editing your videos tomorrow. One of my favorite parts about the video editing course is it's short, sweet, and to the point. So now I'm going to be going over all the modules that's inside of the course. So the first module is the before you edit module. So, there's a reason why when you sit to edit your videos, you're frustrated. It's because, you're unorganized. You don't know what you want your videos to look like in terms of how you want to edit it. You don't know what you're doing. So in this module, I go over editing mindset. I go over my signature video editing plan that's going to allow you to figure out what you want your video to look like and also what's going to be in your video so you can actually edit faster and not have to sit there all day. And then I also go over the whole dashboard of the video editor Capcut, where I show you exactly where everything is. The second module is where I go over the basics. So that's how to remove all the filler words from your videos, how to trim them down, how to size them for the correct platform, how to import the video into the video editor, correcting the color of your video, and also adding smooth transitions if you want to. Module 3 is audio. So this is going to be, making sure your video sounds super crisp and also removing any background noise that may be in your video. And I'm going to also be showing you where you can get royalty-free music so your videos don't get taken down or copyright strikes when you post them to YouTube or, any other social media platform. The fourth module is graphics and visuals. So in this module, I'm going to be showing you where you can get free B-roll from. I'm going to be showing you how to incorporate your brand colors into your video to make sure it stands out. And I'm also going to show you how to create some things inside of Canva, to make your videos look even more personalized. The fifth module is where I go over how to add captions to your videos. So you might not know this, but a lot of the people who watch videos, they actually watch the video with the sound off. So it's really important to make sure your video is accessible to everyone that watches it by adding captions. And then the last module, I'm just going over how to export the video, because sometimes when we export videos, the quality actually goes down from what we see in our video editor. Also, I go over a little bit, again, how to resize for the right platform and which settings, should be the right settings for the platform that you're trying to post to. So again, as you can see, you get everything that you need to edit videos for social media and beyond, honestly. But I also have 3 more bonuses that I wanted to add because, I wanted to make sure that you are really equipped to edit anything that you needed to and also to make the process faster. So I added 4 bonus short video content tutorials. So these specific video tutorials that I have in there are short video content that you can edit in less than 30 minutes. And these are some of the tutorials of the most viral content that I currently see on Instagram and TikTok. Now, I actually do plan on adding to this tutorial list, and I want to add more short video content. There's a feedback form at the end of every single module because I'm really on a mission right now to make sure this is one of the best video editing courses that any business owner can get, to make sure that their videos look professional and that they're starting to make money from their videos, you know? The next bonus is 16 customizable Canva templates that you can use in your video. So this includes name call out cards, animated title templates, video wrappers, and YouTube thumbnails that I use on my own channel that you can use as well. And the last bonus is access to a private community where you will be put in the room with other business owners and people who are looking to edit, and also me, who will be in there to answer any questions that you may have. So yeah, I really tried to think of anything you may need while you're editing video content and more. This is the same exact process that I take my videos through and all of my clients' videos through. I've even used the same process to create short documentaries that have gotten into film festivals. If you think this is something that you may be interested in, you can go to www.clxcontent.com/editlikeasavvypro.